and another month is here, and you guys know what that means. It is time to unbox our monthly Lush kitchen subscription box. This is our only clue on the little exterior sticker. It smells good, like always, though. The actual box smells good. You guys, like, dangerous stuff is going on down here. Let me slice open the box. And I'll be right back. I love the look of fake nails, but sometimes I feel like then I don't know how to use my hands, even when they're this short. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is my third day in a row of wearing these like gemstone nails. I feel like these are some of my favorite press-on nails I've ever had. Get ready and bathe with special performances by Fine Sea Salt, Headed Grain Oil, Fair Trade Cocoa Butter, Muir Butter, Bamboo Stem Extract, Organic Shea Butter. Oh my god. Okay, hello, Coachella just happened. This is maybe supposed to be like a nod to how they do like the Coachella posters. That's like really cute. I actually like the like foiling on the little card. And right on top, you guys, it's something that I have not seen in the past couple of months of Lush kitchen subscription boxes, and I've actually been missing it. It is a 100% organic cotton makeup pouch. First of all, I love the size, and I honestly love like canvas cotton type bags like this. But look at that. Once again, I feel like if you're like traveling, going on any kind of festival or something, like this is like certainly large enough, at least for me, to take like all of my makeup that I would travel with. Y'all have to let me know, do you travel with like your full makeup routine? Because like personally, I usually just travel with like a lipstick, a mascara, and a BB cream, and that's it. Make a wish. All right, you guys. First bath product is a bath bomb that looks like it has magical confetti. Ooh, I really like this. This has a mixture between floral and fruity, and I really like that. I feel like I particularly do love either super earthy scents lately or like super fruit kind of scents. All right, up next, a bubble bar. And look at how cute that is. And I wonder, oh my god! Did they turn grass into a bubble bar? You guys, I have been raving about how much I love that they brought back the grass scented body wash. Several months ago, Lush sent me a PR package that had products in it that were products that they had discontinued, but then they were like bringing back. And the grass bubble wash, why do I want to call it bubble wash? I had never tried that before because I feel like for some reason, like if I was in the store, I just don't know that grass is like a scent that I would gravitate to on my own. But then when I had it and I smelled it, like that's what I was literally saying with like earthy scents. I've been really into that lately. And this smells just like the body gel, body wash. Oh my god, you guys, I can't wait to scan the card and find out if that's really what that is. Okay, we have the, oops, I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. It's been getting kind of like warm in Texas lately, so I think this product like got a little, I do see a purple product down here. But anyway, this is the Don't Rain on My Parade kitchen exclusive shower gel. So this says it's a show-stopping blend of sweet violet leaf and vanilla pod infusions, juicy blueberry, and high drama. I love when they do the custom labels as well. We've seen this for the Halloween box, and I'm pretty sure the Christmas box, but usually like the labeling just says like Lush kitchen exclusive, but I really do like when they make a special themed label. Ooh, oh my gosh, this does smell like another Lush product that I remember. I wonder if this is another one of their like little relaunches that they sometimes do in the kitchen subscription box. It looks like we have at least 2 more products. Once again, I'm wiping off whatever the purple stuff is that we're about to pull out of the box. Ooh, it smells really good though. So this is called Super World Unknown Solid Perfume. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You guys, that has turned out to be some of my favorite products to get out of the kitchen subscription box is the candle. And also they had like little purse travel size spray on perfume. Oh my God. So amazing. So this is gonna be like super exciting as well. Once again, I feel like they're really going with the theme of like if you're going to concerts or like festivals, or maybe you're like planning on traveling for the summer, like it's much easier to take this versus any kind of spray. Ooh, okay, let's see if I can like dig my finger in there without like digging into it with my nail. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is gonna sound so funny, but I swear it smells like a lemon lime. The top note for me is definitely like almost like a fizzy cola kind of scent, which, oh my gosh, I love stuff like that. I don't know why I was about to show you my wrist. Like you could see a solid perfume swatch. Y'all, this is literally melting in my fingertips. It smells amazing. It does not look pretty. I'm really excited to see if this is going to be like a massage bar. What is this gonna be? I don't know, but look, it's definitely like right as it makes contact with your like body temperature, it starts to melt immediately. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing too. God, what does that remind me of? I feel like it complements the perfume, the perfume really well. Guys, I feel like my allergies have just been out of control lately. So what I'm gonna do now is scan the QR code. We can examine the products a little bit deeper and find out like what the exact like scent notes are. Cause I'm wondering if either the scrub or the solid perfume is supposed to have like a fizzy kind of cola, like lemon lime kind of note to it, because that's what it smells like to me. So I want to see, is my nose completely off or not? All right, I'll be right back. That's something else that I've really been loving ever since they've been doing the QR codes, is they show you the kitchen box products like being made. It's honestly like so relaxing and fun to watch. Like you guys, I can't imagine like how fun it must be to be like at the Lush kitchen, like the factory, like where it all happens. That's the other cool thing that they've been doing is, well, you know what? I'm just going to be inserting these photos in here so you guys can like read along with me. But I love how now they tell us which one of the items were a community pick from like where I always tell you guys, like once you subscribe, there's a whole voting process that takes place on Facebook. So some of these items are community picks that were chosen through the voting process. And then the other ones that just say kitchen exclusive are the surprises that Lush is just planning on putting in this month's box, like without them being voted on. Up first, Don't Rain on My Parade. This was a community pick that was voted on, and it says cleansing fresh blueberry juice and floral violet leaf infusion. Keep the good times going in and out of the shower. So I forgot, we pretty much like read the synopsis of that already. Blueberry. See, I don't know what violet leaf is. I feel like I'm kind of having a moment because I feel like violet should be like a more recognizable note for me, because I know there's so much like violet stuff in the world, like even violet candy, which I don't know if I would like that, honestly. I'm usually not like a person that likes floral flavors in my food or my drinks. Like normally the only exception I have is hibiscus tea I like sometimes. All right, the next community pick is the Supernova Bath Bomb. So this says, this citrus star is a blast. Uplifting sweet wild orange and brightening lime oil come together for a heavenly experience. And so what did I say? I said that this one smelled citrusy and also floral. I wonder if I'm picking up on the floral aspect from like the orange blossom. Although orange is really citrusy as well. Although this one says like lime in it specifically. And I feel like that's one I didn't say like, oh, this smells like a lemon lime kind of thing. Grass, which we already know and love. It says, sometimes a good time is simply a quiet time. Ground your body and mind with sandalwood oil and warm notes of bergamot and neroli. You guys, oh my gosh. Dare I say that that's my favorite Lush fragrance right now? Although it is really hard for anything to ever take the place of Karma, which I'm pretty sure is my favorite Lush scent family of all time. I love it. All right, kitchen scrub or ticket to scrub. So this is a kitchen exclusive. This was not voted on. It says it is a skin softening fair trade cocoa butter and gently exfoliating fine sea salt will have you ready to take on any event. And I really think I'm gonna love using that now that I read specifically it has sea salt in it, because one of my other favorite Lush products that I'm always telling you guys about, which is big, is the sea salt. It's like a scrubbing shampoo and I love it so much. So this may be fun to use like on those days, because that's something I also love doing with Lush scents. I feel like that's one of the reasons I love Karma so much, is because you can use Karma shampoo, Karma body lotion, Karma perfume. You know, you can like really layer it all together so that just like your whole hair and body like smell good throughout the day. So that'll be good to like layer the two like sea salt kind of products. All right, you guys, the Solid Perfume, another kitchen exclusive. So this says a surefire crowd pleaser, cinnamon-esque cassia, candy floss, and lemon sorbet notes will have you smelling like a rock star. So definitely I'm glad to at least see either lemon or lime popping up in this. I really like this. I guess mostly I am smelling the lemon sorbet, even though that's like listed as the third ingredient. So I would think maybe that would be like more of a undernote. But oh my gosh, I feel like this, it's hard for me to pick, honestly, between grass or the Super World Unknown. These two products have got to be my favorite from this month, but I feel like the Solid Perfume will last me longer. So I feel like I'm gonna say that one is my favorite. And lastly, of course, the cosmetic pouch, which this is another like kitchen exclusive little surprise. I really love when they do this, and I'm honestly kind of shocked that this month I feel like we're seeing more expensive products with like a bonus item, like a notebook or whatever, because I feel like any kind of perfume I feel like is a higher dollar item, and so I feel like usually it's kind of like months where we see like an extra. You might see like more bath bombs and stuff normally, but I don't know, look at that. That's very exciting. I am hoping to see again in the future another candle in the subscription box, because oh my gosh, that was like such a fun, magical experience. So that is it for this month's box, you guys. I have to know, is this a service that y'all subscribe to? I really, really look forward to getting this every single month, because as I always say, I really feel like they kind of always hit the nail on the head with like what you would maybe want to be smelling like during these different periods of the year. Like now that we're getting more into the summer months, I feel like it's good to have these like zesty, like uplifting, like lemon lime kind of scents, like the fruitier kind of scents, I feel like is like a good scent family for May. So I feel like it's really fun to just like dive deep into these products like each month. So you kind of just get like different smells and stuff all year long. Does that make any sense what I'm saying? You know, I feel like this is like a month's worth of body wash, you know what I mean? So that is it for me today. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Like always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for spending a little time with me. And if you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon